We'll come back with a new lesson 13.2 using trigonometric ratios to find angles. Our lesson objective is to find angles using trigonometric ratios. In our past lesson, we studied together the three trigonometric ratios. Let us remember them again. If we have a right triangle, we have three trigonometric ratios for its angles: the sine, the cosine, the tangent. Sine for angle A or angle B is equal always to the opposite side to this angle over the hypotenuse. Cosine any angle is equal to the adjacent side to this angle over the hypotenuse, and tangent for any angle is going to be equal to the opposite side to this angle over the adjacent side to the same angle. Always remember these three trigonometric ratios to solve any question on this lesson. Also, we want to remember something, that angle A and angle B, the sum of them is equal always to 90 degrees, because the sum of the three angles in this triangle is always equal to 180 degrees. Since the right angle is 90 degrees, the other two acute angles, the sum of them is 90 degrees. Now let us take some examples on this lesson how to find the measurement of an angle if two sides or three sides are given to you. Example 1. Find the measurement of angle A and B if it is given to you that side A is equal to 36 meters, side B is equal to 50.9 meters. The solution for this problem is going to be by using your calculator to find the sine or the cosine or the tan. Since you are given here the value of A and the value of B, with respect to angle A, if you want to find angle A, you are having the opposite side and the adjacent side. So you can say that tangent of angle A is equal to the opposite side over the adjacent side. And this is equal to the opposite side to angle A, which is 36 meters, over the adjacent side of angle A, which is side B, and it is given 50.9. Then we can find angle A using the inverse tan in the calculator, pressing shift tan and entering this fraction inside. So we will have that angle A is equal to 35.3 degrees rounded to nearest tenth. Now to find angle B, it's easy since A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. So we will say 90 degrees minus 35.3 degrees. This will give us the measurement of angle B, which is 54.7 degrees. Let us take another example. Example 2. Find angles A and B if P is given to you 409 kilometers and C is 612 kilometers. So in this example, B is given, C is given. So thinking of angle A, you are having the adjacent and the hypotenuse. So which ratio of the trigonometric ratios which combines between the adjacent and the hypotenuse? It is the cosine. So you will say that cosine A is equal to the adjacent over the hypotenuse, and these are given to us. So 409 over 612. From this step here, we can go using our calculator by the inverse cosine using the shift for this fraction, and this will give you the measurement of angle A, which is going to be equal to 48.1 degrees. Now, to find the measurement of angle B, we will subtract 90 degrees minus 48.1 degrees. And the result here is 41.9 degrees. So you check what information is given to you. If side A and side B are given to you, so you will need to use the tangent inverse for finding angle A or angle B. If side B and side C is given to you, you will need to use the cosine inverse to find angle A. Or you can use the sine inverse if you want to find angle B. Then you can find the other angle by finding the difference between the angle you found with 90 degrees. It is very simple steps. You can do it easily. Let us take a final example on this. Example 3. Find angles A and B if side A is equal to 6,341 10,000th and side C is equal to 7,982 10,000th. So we are given in this question side A and side C. If we want to find angle A, side A is the opposite and side C is the hypotenuse. So the ratio which combines between the opposite and the hypotenuse is sine. So sine angle A will be equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse, which will be equal to 0.6341 over 0.7982. To find angle A, we will need to use the inverse sign for this fraction using the shift button with the sign button in your calculator, and this will give you 52.6 degrees rounded to nearest tenth. To find angle B, we will find the difference between angle A and 90 degrees, and the result here is going to be 37.4, also rounded to nearest tenth. By this we reach the end of our lesson. Thank you.